Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. Join the family by subscribing. Today I am making angwamo. Angwamo simply means oiled rice, and I'm gonna give it a little bit of twist by adding some vegetables. All right, so come along, let's cook together. All right friends, for this recipe we're gonna need rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I am gonna use a local rice from Ghana. Red and white onions, bacon. So normally when you're cooking angwamo, you use salted beef. However, I don't have that, so I'm gonna use bacon and it's gonna work perfectly. Salt, English peas, and oil. I'm gonna be using coconut oil. In a heated pan, you want to add your oil. I love the smell of anise seeds, so I'm gonna throw a little bit into the oil to give it some flavor. Add your onions at this point. So at this point, I'm going to put this aside and then fry the bacon. Go ahead and add your bacon. Let this fry until golden brown. Guys, this smells so good already. Rice. Cover and let it toast for like 5 minutes. So guys, I went ahead and divided the onions into two. I'm gonna add half of it here and then keep half to use when it's done. Water. Cover and let it cook. Guys, our rice is ready. Angwamo oiled rice. It is ready. Look at this beauty. And the aroma here, I cannot describe. It smells so good. The bacon with the anise seeds. Heaven. Heaven. This is perfect. Perfect. This is egg white, onion, some pepper, and parsley. A little bit of salt as well. And we're going to fry this and eat this with our oiled rice or angwamo. Guys, this is the rest of the onions we fried earlier. Guys, breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner is served. Come, let's have a feast. This is angwamo or oiled rice. It smells amazing. It tastes delicious. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. God bless. Bye-bye.